Hi, Marisa here, showing you a storyline I created for our professors who will learn about the team they will be working with to create their online college courses. So we have introduced here the various team members, and when you hover over each name, you don't have to click, you just hover. It will show you the person's name, pronunciation, and their role. So here's mine. And then there are some question answers, FAQs, that are more interactive, if you will. So professors can have their questions answered, and that helps them get straight to work instead of asking around in confusion about who they should work with. Finally, there is a short quiz at the end. This question simply asks who they should work with in what order. So if they have listened to the information and read the info, this is the order they will choose, and then hit submit and find out the results. That's it.